Hi everyone, welcome back. Now I want to look at determinants of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. 2 by 2 matrix simply means matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns, while 3 by 3 matrix simply means matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. Let's get to work. If m equals to 2, 4, 3, 8, solution m is equal to matrix 2, 3, 4, 8. This is 2 by 2 matrix because it has 2 rows, 2 columns. We are to find the determinant. When you see this 2 bar, it represents determinant. Now to find the determinant, what will you do? Multiply the leading diagonal. That's the leading diagonal. Multiply the leading diagonal, multiply the other diagonal, then you subtract the other diagonal from the leading diagonal. That is leading diagonal minus other diagonal. Okay, what are the numbers on the leading diagonal? We have 2 and 8. So we have 2 times 8 minus 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 2 times 8, 16 minus 3 times 4, 12. Now, the determinant of m is equal to 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is what? 4. This is how to find 2 by 2 matrix. When you have to find the determinant of 2 by 2, all you have to do is multiply the leading diagonal, multiply the other diagonal, subtract. That gives us what? The determinant. Alright, for 3 by 3 determinants, you must understand that each element have their own sign. We have positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. That is 3, the first, which is the first element there, is positive. 9 negative, 5 positive, 6 negative, 0 positive, 7 negative, 4 positive, 6 negative, and 5 positive. So when you are carrying out these determinants, you have to consider each element signs. Now let's solve this. We have to find the determinant of A. So A equal to matrix 3, 6, 4, 9, 0, 6, 5, 7, 5. Let's find the determinants together. So what will you do? Pick the first element, which is 3. Then you close this. Close this and this. We are left with 0, 7, 6, 5. Alright. Remember the signs for the second element is negative. Minus 9. Okay. Now we are through with this. This row is still closed. Now what will you do? We are here. Let's block the middle. When you block the middle, we are left with 6, 7, 4, 5. 6, 7, 4, 5. We are done with that. Let's move to the last one. The last one, remember, is what? Positive. Plus 5. Okay. Now we are through with this middle. Let's wipe it off. What are we doing now? Let's block the last one. When you block this, you are left with 6, 0, 4, 6. Okay, now we now have minor matrix. What will you do? You have 2 by 2 matrix in between. So the same way we carry out 2 by 2 matrix determinant, then you find the determinant of this word 2 by 2. So we have 3, 0 times 5, 0, minus 6 times 7, 42, minus 9, 6 times 5, 30, minus 4 times 7, 28, plus 5, 6 times 6, 36, minus 4 times 0, 0, which is 3, 0 minus 42, minus 42, minus 9, 30 minus 28, 2, plus 4, 36 minus 0, 30 what? 36. Okay, so we have 3 times minus 42. You are scaling now. Minus 9 times 2 plus 5 times 36. 5 times 36, what do we have? 3 times minus 42. That gives us minus 126 minus 9 times 2, 18 plus 5 times 36 will give us 180. So let's subtract. Minus 126 minus 18. That gives us minus 144 plus 180 give us 36.